Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable the auto translation of posts on TikTok. So this will work on the TikTok app on iOS and Android devices. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the profile button in the bottom right corner of the TikTok application, and then select the hamburger icon at the top right. Select where it says settings and privacy. And then underneath content and display, scroll down to language, go ahead and open that up. And where it says always translate post, if you want to have this enabled, so basically all posts will be translated automatically, have it toggle to the right. Otherwise, if you want to disable the automatic translation of posts, you can just left click inside the oval one time to turn that off. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.